Do you know Bambu Lab's filament come with RFID tags, and they can make your 3D prints a lot more efficient if you're using a Bambu Lab's AMS. But what are RFID tags and how are they used to make your prints more efficient? In 3D printing with the Bambu Labs AMS, RFID tags play a critical role in filament management. But what are RFID tags? I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Maker Build It. Now is the perfect time to give us a follow if you're interested in 3D printing. What are RFID tags and how do they work? Radio frequency identifiers, or RFID tags, are a type of wireless technology used to transfer data between a reader and an object via radio wave. RFID tags consist of two components: an integrated circuit and an antenna. The IC stores the tag's data, and the antenna enables it to communicate with the RFID reader. RFID tags are used in many industries, from retail to logistics, to streamlining processes by automating tracking and identification. That's why Bambu Labs is doing the same thing with its filament and AMS. So how do the RFID tags work with the Bambu Labs AMS? Bambu Labs AMS simplifies multi-filament printing by automatically selecting and loading filament into the printer. One of the features that makes it so efficient is the integration of the RFID tags into the filament spools. The RFID tag is typically located in the inner core of the spool, hidden just behind the filament itself. This placement ensures that the RFID tag is safe from wear and tear, but is close enough to the reader that's in the AMS. Most Bambu Labs spools come equipped with an RFID tag, which contains important information about the filament. When the spool is loaded into the AMS, the RFID tag reader in the system automatically scans the tag, retrieving data such as the material type. Is it PLA, PETG, ABS, or some other material? Filament color, the exact color that's on the spool, and this allows for really efficient color management changes when multicolor printing. Temperature settings. It also includes ideal temperature settings for that filament. By automating this aspect, the AMS eliminates manual setup, allowing users to focus on creativity and technical aspects of 3D printing. The RFID system also helps minimize errors. The integration of the RFID tags in combination with the AMS creates an intelligent and automated 3D printing system. RFID tags not only save time and help reduce errors, but also improve the overall user experience by automating filament handling. For anyone using the Bambu Lab printers, this technology makes 3D printing more accessible, efficient, and reliable. Whether you're using multi-materials, multicolors, or single color, the RFID system makes sure your prints are set up for success. Like most people 3D printing, I don't only use Bambu Labs filament in my Bambu Labs AMS. I use other filaments such as Overture or Flash Forge because sometimes I need a specific color or a specific material in a color, or I just like that filament better in that color. My question is, when is Bambu Labs going to make the RFID system open to other filament manufacturers so we could have the same ease of use in our experience in using our Bambu Labs AMS that we do with the Bambu Labs filament? For more 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.